Today has been a powerhouse of Google news, from manufacturing moves to big acquisitions, new features, and even some travel tidbits. Let's break it down for you. First up, Google is making big waves in India. They've chosen Tamil Nadu as the new production hub for their Pixel smartphones and even drones through their Wings subsidiary. This move aligns with Google's strategy to diversify its manufacturing away from China, which is similar to what's been going on with other tech giants like Apple. By setting up shop in Tamil Nadu, Google is not just expanding its global footprint, but also giving a significant boost to the local economy. This comes at a crucial time for India, especially with the upcoming elections and Prime Minister Modi's push for production-linked financial incentives. Locals in Tamil Nadu are pretty pumped, as this could transition the region from being known as the Detroit of India to a more advanced manufacturing hub. But wait, there's more. Google is reportedly eyeing a whopping $31 billion acquisition of HubSpot, a leading marketing software maker. This move could catapult Google's position in the cloud-based applications market and give Microsoft some serious competition. Imagine Google bundling HubSpot's robust CRM tools with Google Workspace. That's a combo meal deal every small to medium business owner would drool over. While no final agreement has been clinched yet, industry experts are buzzing about how this acquisition could shake up the market. What are your thoughts on this potential mega deal? In the quest to enhance user experience, Google announced plans to integrate inline sponsored ads within their AI-generated overviews in Google Search. Think of it as your search results getting a makeover with some stylish sponsored content. These AI overviews aim to offer quick summaries of search topics while boosting clicks on the links provided. It's a win-win for advertisers and users alike, though it does raise some eyebrows about online publisher traffic. Google plans to start testing this feature in the US before rolling it out globally. What do you think? More ads or more efficiency? Next, we're talking about pixel-perfect presentations. If you haven't tried Google Slides yet, now's the time to give it a whirl. This cloud-based presentation tool just got cooler with some Google Workspace integration and upcoming AI features, like Gemini, which helps create content automatically. Whether you're presenting a pitch deck or handling a school project, Google Slides has got your back. Plus, it's free. Can't beat that. And speaking of travel, Southwest Airlines ticket prices are now listed on Google Flights. Yes, that's right. You can now find, compare, and book Southwest flights directly through Google Flights, joining other big US carriers. This integration aims to enhance your flight booking experience, making it more streamlined and comprehensive. Lastly, Google Pay just rolled out 3 new features, including an expanded Buy Now, Pay Later option. You can also see card benefits right at checkout, and even use biometrics like fingerprints or face scans for secure autofill on Chrome and Android. Shopping just got way more convenient and secure. So there you have it, a day jam-packed with Google goodness. What do you think about Google manufacturing in India? Excited or skeptical about the potential HubSpot acquisition? And how do you feel about more ads in your search results? Let us know in the comments. We love hearing from you, so don't be shy. Drop your thoughts below. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.